Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Sweat Wallet application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Sweat Wallet and search. Soon after you find this application in the search result, tap on the install button and you will be able to start the download process. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Once you are done with it, open the application and you will be able to download and install Sweat Wallet application on your Android device. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.